Welcome back. This is a follow-up video to one of my Arduino tutorials, tutorial where I showed you how to connect Unity or Visual Studio to a Arduino project, or even just control a Arduino project with your homemade app. And I took my old project. It's something like this. It's a Arduino with a network adapter, and the top shield is just a prototype board. It's just like one of these, except it's stuck on. I got a LED on and a resistor. I got a wire in just for powering because my battery has run out. So a wire for the internet, so it's actually connected to the internet. The code I'm using is actually exactly the same as we used in the previous video, and the link to the previous video is in the description, also the link to the code. The code is just waiting for a UDP signal input from anywhere on the internet to this device. So if you remember, you could send a signal, and we made it so it would accept a input starting with an L, 1 for turning a lamp on, 2 for turning it, toggling it, that's right, and a 0 for turning it off. What I've made since, and I'll show you the code in a minute, is a mobile app. So let's get the accelerometer to turn the app correctly. There we go. And if you haven't seen the previous video, you remember this app. Well, if you have seen the previous video, we made this on Windows. And since it's Unity, we can make it work on all devices. However, because I don't have Unity Pro for Android, I cannot make a network connection using sockets for Android. However, there's a workaround. I bought a add-on for Unity in their web shop, and this allowed me to work with sockets and just like as if I had Pro, and it cost me, I think it was $20, so that's very cheap compared to getting a Unity Pro for small projects like this. The phone just went on standby. There we go. Yes. So the way it works is when I click on, I'm going to click on. Let's see if I can hit the button. There we go. It turns the LED on. It might be hard to see. There we go. This way. And when I turn off, click off. There we go. It turns off. Back on. Off. You can see it's almost instantly. Almost. And not every press